Welcome, Black. This your host, Concerned Black Citizen. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share this video. And hit that notification bell for all updates. Let's get into it. Real quick, because it's one of those deceptive stories that we always got to watch out for. Georgia police officer buys homeless man hotel room, warm meal amid freezing weather, act of service. So this is a little Christmas story I see, because it dropped right before Christmas. Georgia police notice a man in need of a place to keep warm and out of the cold, and pay for his hotel for the night during a winter storm. In a real-life, heartwarming Christmas story, Cobb County Police Department officer Withers paid for the hotel for a man in need of his own money, as well as providing the man with a warm meal. So this police officer, like they said, paid for the hotel for a man in need with his own money, and as well providing the man with a warm meal. Isn't that heartwarming? This guy, Officer Withers, he cared. Interesting. Let me read the comments and just see what they're talking about here. That is the real meaning of protect and serve the community. Not looking down on someone who is not as fortunate as others, meaning whites. Bravo, excellent example of a humanitarian. Act from one human being to another human being. Bravo, bravo, bravo. Officer Withers, you did a great service for a fellow human being. Oh, that guy's human. Okay, this is interesting. And should be commended for your actions. May God bless you and yours. These are really nice comments. That is the sort of thing that all of us with the ability to do similar should consider. I don't think he read that before he wrote it. Beautiful. Thanks to Officer Withers, and thanks for publishing. I mean, we can keep going. These are really nice comments. They giving this officer praise and accolades for helping out this human being. And it made me think when I seen this article, because Foundation of Black Americans, we need our reparations. And with that same community, you have someone who is less fortunate, the black community, and we out in the cold, we've been aggrieved. I mean, they know it. They took part in it. They was the engineers of it. So you see how this one officer helping this one black man, they was raving and throwing the tremendous cape on for this Officer Withers. You know why? Because it doesn't change the status quo, not one iota. Just to have this one officer help out this one black homeless man. But what we have here, when we come to the conversation of reparations, them doing the same act, but as a group, Watch how different their response is. Watch how different their response is. It's the same act that Officer Withers did, but as a group. Consider descendants of those brought here under slavery are some of the luckiest people in the world, says this white guy. Check the living conditions of their African relatives and what they endure today in their daily life, due because of the white supremacists. They should count their blessings. There's no need to thank us. Hashtag reparations. That's a little slick there, Mr. Kim. So let's look at a few more of these. If any race deserve reparations, and I'm not for reparations, period, it should be the Native Americans. We heard that one before. Well, I know about Big Brother Tariq. I know what he was speaking of. Well, we looking at the suspected white supremacists comments. I don't even want to entertain that. Reparations are wrong because they steal from other people. I don't think he thought that through. All not been slaves in America. We need reparations. We not all. That might be a troll account. Alright. Our nation is truly under assault, and the evil of the left appears to be winning. This, believe it or not, is actually transpiring in California. And speaking about reparations, now, these comments on here are totally different from what we was reading with Mr. Withers here. We didn't see the same type of comments. I mean, they was praising Mr. Withers up and down. They was giving Mr. Withers all these accolades because he apparently paid for a hotel for one homeless guy one day and did a good deed of a police officer. But when, as a whole, they actually owe us a debt from building this country for free and everything else that came with it, culture, music, inventions, science, medical, existence, everything they even know of existence, we created. We are the creators. They are the imitators. But we'll get to that another day. Their response is fairly different. Oh, they want to talk about Indians getting reparations. They want to deflect. Oh, you Negroes, we just helped you out from taking you away from Africa. Narrative. Isn't that interesting? That as a whole, we asked them to do the same good deed as Mr. Withers, and this is their response. I leave this link of this PSYOP Project Mr. Withers article down in the box. And let me know what you guys think about some of these stories that come out. They fluff stories. It's like an attempt to make these people look humane in that they are not barbaric, but we know who they are. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit that like button, hit that share button, hit that notification bell so you can get all updates. This is yours truly, Concerned Black Citizen. And if you subscribe to the channel, make sure you share, like, and make sure that notification bell is on so you can get all videos. And I appreciate you coming.